Hey, LIVEK is back again with the YouTube channel LIVEK Talk. It's a new horizon to podcast technology. Here we will interview and discuss about various audio and video equipment, operations and troubleshooting, AR, VR, virtual chroma. Try to find a fact, technology behind the technology. Also get fact from online graphics as well as offline graphics, technology to transmission, TV stations to earth stations. Find out the fact of automations and robotics. LIVEK, a new horizon to broadcast technology. Subscribe our channel LIVEK Talk. Be ready, light, camera, action. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel LIVEK Talk. You can see here a product Helo Plus. It is actually a streaming device. I got this product just now. So let's unpack. You can see the company seal. So let's cut the seal first.
सील किया हुआ है, कंपनी का सील है, तो इस सील को पहले कट करना होगा। बहुत ही हार्डी है। यस, हो गया। आप
Yes, done. Now time to unbox. There is no other seal in backside. The device is very well packed from inside.
यस,
There are also quick setup guide inside the box. Now bring out the device from plastic cover. This is very stable device for streaming. It is basically a streaming encoder. In a single device there are two encoders, so you can perform two streaming simultaneously into the two different destinations. Let me show you the product.
ये स्ट्रीमिंग के लिए बहुत ही स्टेबल डिवाइस है। स्ट्रीमिंग एनकोडर बेसिकली, और एक साथ डिवाइस एक है लेकिन इसमें दो एनकोडर है बेसिकली, तो एक साथ दो स्ट्रीमिंग आप कर सकते हैं। देखते हैं, दिखा रहा हूँ आपको। ये देखिए, ये हो गया आपका।
See, this is the product Helo Plus. 8.264 stream is written here. You can also record source in this device. This is the front panel. This is record button. If everything is configured properly, then just press the record button and recording will be start immediately.
कुछ नहीं करने का, जस्ट एक बार कॉन्फ़िगर कर देने के बाद यहाँ पे रिकॉर्ड बटन प्रेस कीजिए।
You can record in SD card, just putting a SDAC or SDXC SD card in this slot. You can also use USB storage, means pen drive, etc. for recording. By pressing the record button here, recording will be start instantly. Just beside the record button, there are also a stream button. If configured properly, just press the stream button to start the streaming instantly. This is audio level. Audio is present or not in your source signal can be easily monitored from here. Let's check the back side.
साइड में है ऑडियो इन, ऑडियो आउट, HDI इन, ये HDI इन है, HDI आउट है, HDMI इन है, HDMI आउट है। ये USB पोर्ट है, ये USB पोर्ट ओनली फॉर कॉन्फ़िगरेशन, और ये है LAN पोर्ट जहां आपका इंटरनेट रहेगा, और ये है पावर। पावर भी बहुत स्टेबल लग रहा है। इसका 3 इयर्स वारंटी है। ये डिवाइस, ये काम कैसे करता है, कॉन्फ़िगर कैसे होता है, ये सब कुछ आपको दिखाऊंगा, आप देखते रहिए। थैंक यू।
LIVEK, a new horizon to broadcast technology. Subscribe our channel LIVEK Talk. Be ready, light, camera, action. Let's check the main features of Helo Plus. It supports 3G HDMI input and output. It supports HDMI input and output. It supports stream to two separate destinations simultaneously. It also supports encoding up to 1080-60p in H.264 or MPEG-4. It supports 2-channel stereo audio. It has LED audio meter in front panel. It supports PIP in streaming and recording. It supports recording with streaming simultaneously. It supports recording in USB storage and in SD card. It supports recording in NFS, CIFS and SMB network volumes. It supports recording two incoming source simultaneously. It supports RTP, UDP, RTSP, RTMP, HLS and unicast. It has SRT compatibility. The most important point is it has 3-year warranty. For configuration, you need to download Aja eMini setup, install on it in your PC, and after that connect Helo Plus using a USB cable with your laptop. Then open the app Aja eMini. Here you can find all setup related information.